I mean, this gentleman got absolutely phenomenal results in 6 months. Hi, my name is William Gaunitz. I'm a fellow with the World Trichology Society, and I've been helping people regrow hair as a certified trichologist for over 21 years. Now, this case that you see on the screen is a remarkable case because this gentleman actually regrew this volume of hair in only 6 months. And today I'm going to tell you exactly what we did to achieve this process, because realistically, this is not a common result, but it is a possible result. When you are looking at your own situation and you're going, hey, I have a similar hairline to this individual, I think I can get these types of results. What exactly do you need to do to get there? And is this something that can happen for you? So this gentleman was actually 30 years old when he started in our clinic, and he was my client, and I ended up doing a consultation with him and getting a full assessment of what was going on. And in his case, he had had a lifestyle that really aggravated his overall situation, from basically being a little bit rough on his body, and in this case he ended up having more hair loss because of dietary components and lifestyle components earlier on than he should have. When he stopped those bad lifestyle components, then it really will allow him to get a better result, because now you've eliminated something that was aggravating the hair loss. So in his case, he walked in with a very healthy scalp, he walked in with a healthy body, he did not have any digestive issues, he overall just had very basic male pattern loss that was expedited through those nutritional factors, which basically caused some toxic load issues. So when we got in the clinic, I was looking at him and I said, hey, how aggressive do you want to get with your hair loss situation? And he said, I want to get as aggressive as possible. So that is exactly what we did. We did everything we possibly could to get a full result over the course of that 6-month process. Now, we did for the first month use a gentle detoxification, so we detoxed his liver and the kidneys. We used a detoxification tea, as well as we used bentonite clay to help really purge his digestive tract of anything that may be holding him back. And then at that point, we really dove into nutritional supplements, and we dove into obviously a full topical and internal regimen, as you can see on the screen, that allowed us to get from point A to point B. Now, if you look at his scalp and you look at the progress of his overall treatment protocol, he had a very mild progression, obviously through the first 90 days, and then it really picked up for that second 90 days. And when you see that hairline, you also see through the temporal points what that recovery was. When I looked under the microscope, I was able to see small vellus hairs in those areas because his hair had only been gone for approximately 3 to 5 years. He had started his hair loss about 6 years before, but the full bulk of it was in the last 3 years or so. And that's why he had such regrowth potential, because the faster you lose your hair, the faster you can grow it back. Because while the hair is in the resting phase, that is when you end up seeing the most miniaturization. So the longer that the hair is in the resting phase, the more the chance that your hair has to miniaturize. And essentially at some point after it's been completely resting for about 2 to 3 years, that hair follicle will die or completely be miniaturized, and all you're going to be left with is a little tiny vellus hair. So as you can see through this progression, we were able to get to this point at the 6-month mark. He really had extraordinary progress, and you can see it obviously pulling in through his frontal hairline. You can see it obviously through the middle vertex as well as in the crown, and ultimately one of my favorite results over the 20+ years of doing this. Now, as you can see on the screen now, we have a full protocol of exactly what he went through. So we started out at month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4, month 5, month 6. So this is what he did. And when he was able to do this completely, he was able to get back this full volume of hair. So if this is something that looks like you, then this might be possible for you. But remember, it's all about the amount of time that the hair has been gone. And if you've got questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. I'm happy to help in any way.